Hey guys, Carl with MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Once again, today I'm going to be showing you the brand new Harris 250 Sunliner. And we'll just go ahead and jump right on in. Starts here with the Mercury 4-stroke 225 for horsepower. Plenty of horsepower to get you up on plane quickly. It is a tri-toon, a full tri-toon pontoon boat. So stability will be at a premium and you'll feel very solid out there on the water. Let's jump on top. All right, on this particular boat, this has the extended platform here in the back to give you a lot more space in the rear. And you've got a couple speakers in the back for entertainment while you're in the water. Got a lounge sitting here on this adjustable seat head. You can roll it back, it becomes more seating, or seating here in the front facing forward when you're in the rear of the boat. Your two captain's chairs, very nice, very comfortable. They do swivel around so they can become part of the entertainment area if you're in the rear of the boat. Up front, you're powered with Simrad electronics, JL audio radio system, and of course LED lights and things, all new technology with the boat. All right, moving away from the helm, we'll make our way to the other side over here. As you can see, you've got an oversized size door here to get you on and off of a dock very easily, with a ton of space for multiple bodies to make their way on there. Speakers angled forward from the back seat here, and you've got storage throughout. Here, you got storage underneath there for normally where your cover would be stored at. Up front, a huge lounge area on both sides, a Harris staple. The cushions are hinged in. You don't have to worry about cushions flying off going down the road. Cup holders everywhere you're looking, all the way around the boat. Very nice for entertainment. Up top, this particular boat has the two Biminis. You can take one down or two, depending on the day and how you want to enjoy it. And again, speakers up front for your sound system. All right, guys, that's the 22 Harris 25 foot Sunliner in the black grays. It's here on site now and in our showroom. My name is Carl. Give me a call. My cell phone number 334-695-6035. I look forward to hearing from you.